Here is Snappy Slide exercise number 8. This pattern has 2 parts that are each repeated. Here's the full pattern. Listen and watch. Let's practice by singing and sliding the first part together. 1, 2, sing. 4, 3, 4, 1. Now we'll do that 2 times in a row. 1, 2, sing. 4, 3, 4, 1. 4, 3, 4, 1. Let's try playing that much together. 1, 2, breathe. Repeat that chunk as much as you need until it feels easy and confident. Now, let's practice the second chunk. Let's sing and slide it together. 1, 2, sing. 4, 6, 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And now, let's try playing that together. 1, 2, breathe. Practice that chunk as much as you need by repeating it, making sure that you have a snappy slide going between 4th and 6th and 4th and 1. Once those 2 chunks feel confident, let's put the whole pattern together, playing it 2 times in a row. 1, 2, breathe. Use the YouTube slow down and speed up functions to work on this and get it to where you're comfortable based on your practice. Your final goal speed will sound like this. I'll play it 2 times in a row. 1, 2, breathe.